Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything that you have done. I'm so grateful. So, my mother family, today I brought another one about the exposition that Mazi Simon Ekpa did last night. I just want to play the audio, then we will analyze it in our own little way. So now let me release it so that you watch it and you watch the response from the brother that was involved. So listen to it and I'll be right back.
I don't care. Like what I said, I am not coming here to debunk anybody or to defend myself about the sheep blackmail. They are flying everywhere. No, I'm not coming here. What is happening? I have told Soludo, I have told you, who is killing people in Anambra is Simon Ekpa. I have said it out with that number. And I have the proof. I am telling you, see, there's a people again that I think they are working with Simon Ekpa. Also, premium time. I want to also advise premium time, if they are working with that idiot, they should come out and make it public and let us understand if they are working with a Berima. In premium time, of course, Simon is going there, paying them, shade brown envelope. When you pay Nigerian journalists, they will testify the goodness of Lucifer. They will testify the goodness of Lucifer when you pay them brown envelope. And I believe that premium time, Simon Ekpa has somebody there. He will give them a brown envelope. They will begin to write nonsense. We are not here to pay anybody. I am not going to pay you shishi. You people don't even know that they call police for me. Some of you don't even know that they want to send me to court. I don't want to say more than this. I'm telling you people that the doors are wise. They have proved it in different occasions that I begin to understand without these people, we are going nowhere. And I must support those that have what it takes to restore Biafra. Because I, the Biafran child, I don't have what it takes to give you Biafra. I cannot just come in to be lying to you, telling you that Biafra is coming 2023. I can't say that. I must support those that knows more than me can support the fast. That is, and I want to tell the leadership that if this case get to court, that is when I will turn to tiger and lion. And I want to tell the leadership they should not blame me, because I will pack every of my receipts. That is when I will put allegation on them that they will balance me all my money back, because that is the main point that I will go for. That is exactly what I will go for. I will tell the court that they have been collecting money from me, defrauding me, telling me, giving me, putting me in a state of imagination, telling me that something is coming where it's not coming. And that is when I will put allegation on them. If they don't know, I have all my receipts. I have my defense fund. I have a lot of payment that I have done. I want them to understand this, and I don't want the leadership to blame me because I'm still waiting for their court. We will go to that court, and they will see that they will fail. They will fail. And I have a lot of people that are going to join me to bring also their receipts that they have already defrauded them. I want them to understand they are dealing with somebody that is, I reason very well. I reason very well. I'm not an illiterate. You can only just yap and talk all sort of rubbish from your mouth. Who are you talking to? And I want you people to remember something. This sheep blackmail from this Irima in Finland, using my video, talking all sort of rubbish. I want you people to understand this. The same Biafran child, Washineke, they proposed to me to become their deputy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that they can be able to silence Mazi Chike Doziem. I am the one that leaked the audio tape. Nobody. I the one that leaked it. Now they are coming with a cheap blackmail, telling you that the people that I was defending, that now I'm telling them that I will sue them to court. You see, I want you people to understand something. You see, everything that I said on that video, they are all true. Everything that you listen, even though the one they caught, the short video they caught, which is I think I don't know how many minutes, 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5, everything that you listen there is authentic. I said that when Onyendu will come out, Onyendu will not blame me, because I will put allegation on these people. I will, and I will base that they will return all the whole money that have been contributing, and they must return it. They must return it. And now I will still tell them, why are they defrauding people? Because now it will go on the fraud. It will go on the fraud. That is what I'm trying to tell them. So should in case, I have to know.
Well, I am seeing this thing in a different dimension, because if you listen to the response of Mazi Simon Ekpa, you will see that he's trying to speak out of the past, what have happened in the past, or what he has said in the past about the leadership that this our brother is accusing today. So let us listen to Mazi Simon Ekpa's response. So I'll be right back.
I want you people to understand this thing these idiots are shouting about today is something Simon Ekpa started many months ago. From Finland here, criminals, people who turn what God did with autopilot. I want to show you what God did with autopilot. What God did with autopilot. You want to know? What God did with autopilot? Separating the chaff from the wheat. Autopilot is the instrument of God in the fulfillment of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's prophecy that the time has come.
So that is the response of Mazi Simon Ekpa concerning this particular clip that is going wrong. Now, add the chemistry together and drop your opinion in the comment section. Don't you think that Mazi Simon Ekpa is just speaking out of his own experience or what he have said before about the same leadership and he was attacked? Please drop it in the comment section, or you are feeling something different. Thank you so much. Please share this video, like and subscribe, and remain blessed.